Assalamu alaikum. Today our lecture is about monetary policy. There is a content about monetary policy. Definitions, key tools, type of monetary policy, objectives and example of monetary policy. Now what is monetary policy? There is a definition about monetary policy. Monetary policy refers to the control of the money supply and interest rate by a country's central bank. For example, Federal Reserve, State Bank of Pakistan. To achieve macroeconomic goals such as controlling inflation, stabilizing currency and fostering employment. Key tools about monetary policy. Interest rate. Central bank set interest rate which influence borrowing and lending. Lower rate encourage borrowing and investment while higher rates discourage it. Money supply. Central bank control the amount of money in circulation through open market operations, buying and selling government bonds and reserve requirement of our banks. Reserve ratio. Banks are required to hold a certain percentage of deposits as reserve, which impacts their ability to lend money. Now comes on types of monetary policy. Expansionary monetary policy. Lowering interest rate or increasing the money supply to boost economic activities, especially in periods of recession or slow growth. Contractionary monetary policy. Raising interest rate or reducing the money supply to curb excessive inflation or cool down an overheated economy. Objective of monetary policy. Control inflation, stabilize the currency, promote employment, foster stable economic growth. Now comes on example of monetary policy. In times of high inflation, a central bank might raise interest rate to make borrowing more expensive, reducing consumer spending and slowing inflation. Thank you.